Golo paro mopogore kaluwore kod lokruoge ma migawo mar thieth chano timo e weche mag ndawa. Paro mopogore opogore wuok e kinde mar romo mokelo kanyakla weg kembe maloso ndawa, jopur, jouso kaachiel gi ji matiyo gi ndawa kod jokanyo mag board mochung' ne weche mag ndawa romo e romo mobagi e kaunti ma Embu. Jokanyogo mar board mar ndawa kod migawo mar thieth dwaro ni mondo pichni moketi magolo siem ne ji mamadho ndawa mondo mi yar kendo gibed monyenyore kaka yo achiel mar kedo gi math mar ndawa.
After we developed this, it is a requirement by law, by constitution, Article 10, that we need to subject it to a public participation. And on the 16th of last month, we advertised that we are in the process. We have now have draft graphic health warnings, and we asked members of the public, Wanjiko, to have a look at those graphic health warnings, and so that they could give us a feedback.
Having reflected on what's being proposed, I do agree that when I look at cigarettes specifically, given the risky profile of the product as a result of the intoxicants that come from the combustion of the product, graphic health warnings are appropriate for the category, given the science of the product. And this has been the case in Kenya for the last couple of years. However, if I look at the novel nicotine products coming into market, such as vaping products, modern oral nicotine pouches, these have a much lesser degree of risk associated with their consumption.
Some of the images portrayed are not scientific.